Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope so you all are fine and doing well. Dear students, as we are revising some topics from the chapter fraction, so here is the next topic for revision, that is addition of fraction with like denominators. So addition of fraction with like denominators mean what are the like denominators when the denominators of the fractions are same. So here in this topic I will use those fractions which have the same denominators, like denominators. In the next video I will also follow the same method, same topic, addition of fraction, but with the unlike denominators. So I will use the separate lectures for both methods. Here I will explain you this method. I will revise this method with the help of two examples. You have already learned about this topic in your class, so here is just a revision for you people. So listen the instructions very carefully. Okay, so let's start with the example number 1. As in the example number 1, we have two fractions, 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. 2 by 8 is the first fraction and 2 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. In the second fraction, 5 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. As our topic is addition of fraction with like denominators. Like denominators mean same denominators. Here we will use those fractions which have the same denominator. As you can see in this example, we have same denominator, that is 8. So for the addition of fraction, it's the important thing that your denominator should be same. If your denominator is different, then you have to convert that denominator into like denominators. Okay, so if directly your question is given in the form of the like denominator, then you can directly add the numerators. I will explain you this example also with the help of a diagram. So 2 by 8, this diagram is for the first fraction 2 by 8. 8 is denominator and denominator mean total parts. Let's count how many parts are over here. In this diagram we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 equal parts. So the denominator is 8 and the shaded parts are only 2. That's why the numerator is 2. Numerator is the parts that we have, or the shaded parts, and denominator is the total parts of the shape. In the second shape, again we have 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But the shaded parts are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the fraction is 5 by 8. For this shape we have the fraction 2 by 8 and for this we have 5 by 8. As in both shapes we have the same number of the total parts. In first one we have 8 equal parts, in second one we also have the 8 equal parts. It means the denominator of both shapes is same, that is 8 and 8. If the denominator is 8, so we can combine the both numerators, because the total parts of this shape is same. Total parts of these two shapes are same. That's why we can easily combine the total numerator, total parts, shaded parts. So how many total parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total shaded parts are 7. Why? Because as the denominator is same, in first shape we have 8 equal parts, in 7th shape we have also again have this 8 equal parts. That's why we can easily combine these two shapes. We can easily combine these two shapes. So count the total shaded parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as a result of these two shapes, what is the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have total 7 shaded parts. When we will combine these two shapes, we have total 7 shaded parts and our denominator is 8. So what will be the fraction as a result of these two? 2 plus 5, we have total 7 as a numerator and 8 as a denominator. It means whenever the denominator of the fraction will be same, then we can easily directly add the numerators. Okay, let's start the example. As in the example, we have the same denominator. So if the denominator of the fraction is same, then you can use that denominator as a common denominator. Common means same. You will use the common denominators only for once. So 8 is the denominator for both fractions. Both fractions have the same denominator. That's why we will use the denominator as a common denominator. So if the denominator of the fraction is same, like denominators, then you can directly add the numerators. Why? Because both have the same denominators. So 2 plus 5, we will add the numerators. Why? Because the denominator is like denominator, same. Add the numerators. 2 plus 5 is 7 by 8. That is our required answer. Got it? Why I am using the denominator only 8? Why not I am adding the 8 plus 8? Because we have 8 as a common denominator. Okay. Same with the second example. I have one more example for you. In this example, first fraction is 6 by 12 and second is 5 by 12. 6 is numerator, 12 is denominator. 5 is numerator, 12 is denominator. As the denominator is 12 and denominator is same, then you can easily add the numerator. So we will take the 12 as a common denominator. When your denominator is same, you can add the numerators directly. 6 plus 5, 11 and denominator is 12. That is our required answer. Clear? So students, this topic is very easy and simple. Addition of fractions with like denominators. Like denominators means same denominator. So whenever your denominator of the fractions will be same, you can directly add or subtract the numerators. Why? Because with the help of this diagram, as I told you, that total parts of the shape are same in both diagrams. You can see the total parts are same. That's why we can collect the shaded parts at the same time directly, because our in both shapes we have the same denominator, same equal parts. So 8 is the same denominator, so we will take it as a common denominator. And common denominator means we will use a common number only for once. Okay, so in the next video I will again start the same topic, addition of fraction but with unlike denominators. How to handle the unlike denominators, I will explain to you in the next video. So watch the video and then solve the attached assignment by yourself. Thank you.